Every home needs a bedroom, be it an apartment or a house. Understanding the different bedroom layouts can help you make better decisions with the space you have available. Today we will look at different modern bedroom designs and how we can incorporate modern design ideas for the bedroom. The bedroom is a place to sleep and have your sanctuary for unwinding after a hard day's work. After all, it's the place where you need to feel the most relaxed. Bedroom designs have come a long way from the design of the past, and now you can create a place that's not only comfortable, but also stylish. Hello there, welcome to our channel. Today we will show you a collection of modern bedroom design ideas as interior decorating ideas. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. We post decor and craft ideas videos on daily basis. So, if you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational daily decor and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. Your master bedroom design should be stunning and stress-relieving as much as possible. Choosing master bedroom interior design can be one tough job because it's the personal area and needs to be paid a very close attention. Your selection should not only be a modern master bedroom design but should also include cost-effective interior design solutions for your master bedroom. Try to add the comfort that you idealize, hence making even your small master bedroom an ideal place. Your choice of interior design for master bedroom should not only be luxurious but also way too comfortable that you'll love. If you tend to stay up to date with the current trends, a contemporary master bedroom design may be the style for you. Although the term contemporary can make some people think of cold and sterile environments, that doesn't have to be the case. When contemporary design is combined with the appropriate textures, colors, and furniture, it can actually be quite inviting and sleek. You can make your bedroom to feature a stunning platform bed against a wooden panel that reaches all the way up to the ceiling. You can also include a cozy seating and reading corner near the window, which is perfect for enjoying some afternoon reading. To tie all of these elements together and make quite a statement, you can add pendant lights placed on each side of the bed. Having a theme for your modern bedroom designs is another consideration. For example, an Indian-inspired theme is an excellent design hack for unifying a master bedroom and creating a tranquil vibe. To achieve this look, start with a pale wall color and add geometric printed shears. Then, layer on a large rug, soft white bedspread, and vintage-style headboard and side tables. Finally, complete the look with elegant table lights. What about an all-white master bedroom design? A white bedroom design is perfect for anyone looking to create a sense of additional space in their bedroom. The lack of color allows you to add more furniture and accessories to your room without feeling cramped. White bedding and furniture also provide a clean and elegant look. To add a touch of color to your all-white bedroom, consider adding accent pieces in a bold color. Don't forget to have enough lighting in your bedroom. Chandeliers can change the whole feel of a room, and not just because they provide better lighting. A well-chosen chandelier can make a bedroom feel more romantic, stately, cozy, or whatever feeling you want to create. And since they come in such a wide range of styles, there's sure to be one that's perfect for your bedroom. Floors are also an important design aspect for any room, but especially the master bedroom. If you're looking to make a statement and go for something different, try using tiger-striped hardwood flooring. This type of flooring can really help to complement the entire space and transform your bedroom in one go. Well viewers, there you have them. Our handpicked collection of modern bedroom design ideas as interior decorating ideas. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comments section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.